Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up SSO in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here, a guide of Trailhead or Salesforce how to set up the SSO for your users. So the first thing you will need is to go to this website, which is an axiom for Heroku that will allow you to have some identity providers, or they are an identity provider. So basically, you will need to get to create federation ID, and by doing it, you will need just to go to the user. So as you can see, we need just to go to setup users and then go to the user, as we can see here, and then you can add enter federation ID. So basically, we search for our users, and from here we go to users, choose any user that you have, and then we will need just to go uh, to the permissions, and we need just to search for the SSO part, and basically just we forgot to click on edit, and from here we need to go to the single sign-on information. You give him the federation ID, and after that, we will need to set up the provider in Salesforce. So basically, the SSO provider in our case would be the Axiom. So from here, you will need just to go to the SAML identity provider and tester. So from here, we will need just to create our identity. So as you can see, we can have to download the identity. After that, you will need just to generate a response, etc. So now we need just to download the identity certificate. You click on it and save it in your local machine. And then you will need just to go to single so we can have the sign on or the SSO uh, settings. So just type single sign on, and here we will find the settings. So from here, you will need just to go to the assessor or the SSM, the SAML editor, and as we can see, we already having it enabled, and now we need just to create the values for this SSO. So here we go back, and basically you click on a new sign-on settings since you are going to create a new one, and all you need to do is to copy paste the same ones or these exact informations in the exact fields here. And after that, you will need just to create a link. To do so, you will go back and then you will need to generate a response. So from here, we will need just to click on generate a response, and you will add these informations eh, of the identity ID and your login URL. You will add them here. After that, you will just click on request the SAML response, and you will need to have something similar to this post so you can log in. And after that, you have set up your SSO correctly. So thank you for watching and see you next time.